Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo for Pino Concepts, and this is the tiniest drone I've ever had the opportunity to fly. So for less than $30, is the S65 Mini Drone worth it? Well, let's find out then. Inside the box is a tough and beautiful carrying case, and inside that is a USB cable, protection rings, spare propellers, a screwdriver, a remote controller, a user manual, then the drone itself. And the drone comes in two colors, that is the orange and the black. The controller is plastic along with everything else. And the buttons on it is not very comfortable to press. Everything feels completely cheap. Compared to my phone, this drone is indeed tiny. When folded, it's only 9 by 5.5 by 4 centimeters. But when you unfold it, it expands to 16.5 by 11 by 4 centimeters. And it also weighs 256 grams. Now, if you opt for the more expensive combo, you end up with 3 flight batteries. And each battery is a 3.7 volts with a capacity of 650 milliamp hour. Whilst one stays in the drone, the other two can be stored safely at the back of the controller. Speaking of the controller, it works off of 3 1.5 volt AAA battery. Now this drone is advertised to not be just about flying, but the fun you have whilst doing it. It's equipped with 4K dual cameras at the front and the bottom. And both of these come with a maximum output resolution of 4096 by 2160 pixels for photos and 1920 by 1080 pixels for videos. It's powered by a brush motor with a remote control frequency of 2.4 GHz. The remote also has a distance range of 80 to 100 meters and about 6 control channels for extra connectivity when flying. While the drone itself can fly anywhere between 12 and 18 minutes, charging it up takes right around 40 minutes. With buttons for takeoff and landing, plus extra buttons for 3 different speed modes, you can pretty much challenge yourself as you get comfortable. The drone also features gesture controls, which let you take photos with a peace sign or record videos by just making a fist. And now to get the drone started, here are a couple of steps you need to take note. First, press and hold the power button on the top of the drone. The drone enters pairing mode indicated by the 2 blinking blue lights at the front. Second, locate the on-off switch at the middle section of the controller. Turn on the controller by moving the switch to the right. The controller will also enter pairing mode indicated by the blinking red lights at the center. Third, connect the controller to your drone by turning the joysticks downwards and inwards, just like how to get a DJI drone propeller spinning. Once paired, the blue blinking light will stay on. And for the fifth step, turn the left joystick up one time to get the propeller spinning and again to start flying. Now, if at any point you want to get live video feed from the camera on the drone, you will need to connect your smartphone. And that is also the exact same way you'll be able to take photos and videos from the drone. Now, to do that, there are 3 extra steps you have to take note. The first step will be to download and install the drone app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store by searching Wi-Fi cam or simply scanning the QR code on the app user guide that comes in the box. The second will be to connect your phone's Wi-Fi to the drone's Wi-Fi hotspot. And the third is, once the app is installed, open it up and you will be greeted with a start menu. Here you can take photos, record videos, and use the hand gestures, among others. Now, you may have noticed that there are so many amazing things about this particular drone that I've spoken about so far. And the fact that it is compact, easy to use, and comes with dual 4K cameras at the bottom and the front makes it an easy recommendation. And for the price, it's super affordable for anyone who wants to get into flying drones for the first time. But that doesn't mean that it doesn't come with some issues. First is that the flight time is quite short, so you definitely need some extra batteries. And when it comes to the photo and video quality, they are unusable. Don't get me wrong, it's still 4K for photos and 1080p for videos, but there is a catch. The photo and video quality I got from this is more or less like an upscale version of the quality you get from a 1 megapixel camera. And it's so bad that if you take a look at the footages, you can't really see where you are going or be able to even navigate yourself whilst looking at the footages on your screen. And apart from that, because you are transmitting and transferring files through your smartphone via Wi-Fi connectivity is quite laggy. And the moment the drone leaves the Wi-Fi range, you are going to lose connectivity. And for the last part, it comes with so many promises which are actually not true. First on the list is the 6-way gyroscope for stable flight. That is not true. I never not once had a stable flight. Once the drone was launched in the air, it started moving to wherever it wanted. You can see that here as I was trying to record with my camera in one hand and control the drone flying in another. The drone would just not stay still. The second is the 15 times zoom that they promised on the page, and for some reason I never got it to be able to work. And even if it did, if the 4K photos are this bad, imagine zooming in. The last one is the trajectory flight, which I never got it to work at any point. So here comes the big question. Is the S65 Mini Drone worth it? Well, yes, definitely. If you are looking to try your hands on drones for the first time, absolutely. If you are looking for a play toy to give to your kids, then this is an amazing option. And for those looking for a more professional yet slightly inexpensive drone option, then check out my review of the DJI SC Mini, which I'll leave up here and in the description below. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and other channels, which I have them linked below. And as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theo from Fino Concept, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.